Well met, explorers. Welcome to week 4 of the Kingdom Quest series, An Introduction to Faith, titled, What Does God Do? If you're new here, you might want to check out previous weeks before continuing, as I might mention or refer to an earlier video. So, compared to the previous week's video, Who is God? I was concerned this one might be just as long. I'm pleasantly surprised and thankful because I believe God directed me in the best way to summarize them as I can. God is the creator of all things, is in control of everything, and is constantly working in our lives for what is best for us with perfect timing, even when we might not see it or everything feels impossible. He sends opportunities and people to help us move forward during struggles, change, and when everything seems perfect. He consistently shows us truth, wisdom, and direction through Jesus' example and the Holy Spirit's guidance. We receive skills and ideas to serve others as we spend time with God in prayer, Bible study, how to apply what we learn in our lives, and hanging out with others. Because he can see our hearts and knows us better than we know ourselves, God will be the fair and just final judge of welcoming us into eternity with him in heaven. And probably my favorite gaming example to describe God is in D&D, God would be the dungeon master. He is the creator and author of our world and story, but our behavior, actions, and direction are still ours to choose. He reveals path and quest to follow, party members to journey with, and lore and loot for us to find, as he invites us to play our role in sharing his love, work, and story as we all level up. But don't take my word on it. Over the next week, look into what I've said for yourself and think about how this works for you in your life. If you're comfortable, please share your questions and thoughts in the comments. There's always the possibility to have a further discussion covering any of these videos at any time. As we seek the kingdom and share this quest, each and every one of you are welcome here, and so are any doubts, frustrations, or concerns you might want to share. I appreciate you taking time to watch as we explore this journey together.